Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to do a live stream in Clipchamp. This process is simple and easy, and for this you need two things. The first thing is you need a proper camera which is installed in your computer. And the second thing is your computer screen is properly set for recording, because in live stream you can see your own face plus the screen recording. So once you check both, then open the Clipchamp application and tap on the option create a new video. And here take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. From these you have to select this option record and create. Once you will click on it, it will be expand some more feature, and on the top you can see the option of screen and camera. This feature is useful for doing a live stream. So click on this. Now here you can see a little window, it's my own face. When I will do a live stream, my face will be shown like this. And this big one is the screen recording of my computer. So in order to start, then click on this red button. And again, the maximum length of recording yourself is 30 minutes. This one is the selected microphone and this one is the camera. Once you check everything, hit this red button and start your live streaming in Clipchamp. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.